Hey guys, this is a Photoshop Elements text cutout tutorial. First thing we're going to do is open up a background image. Now we're going to go to the shape icon and we're going to create a rectangle. In this case, it's going to be a white rectangle. Now we're going to go to the text and you're going to click outside the rectangle. We're going to type in the word awesome. Now you're going to drag it onto the white rectangle, make it bigger, and I'm going to set it right in the center. Now you're going to click command and click on the text layer, and this is going to outline the letters. Click on the rectangle layer, go to layers, go down to layer mask and hide selection. Now after that, you're going to go back to the text layer and you're going to delete that layer. And now we have our text cut out. As you move the rectangle, the letters will still move within this rectangle. So thanks for watching, guys. So please share this video, comment below, and subscribe if you still haven't. Thank you.